Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a ClickBank affiliate account. First, navigate to the ClickBank website and click the Sign Up button. You will then be prompted to enter your personal details, such as your full name, email address, and country of residence. It is crucial to create a robust password, ensuring it includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed with your registration. After creating your initial account, the next step is to complete your profile. You will need to provide additional contact information and select your preferred language. Crucially, designate your primary role as an affiliate to ensure you can promote products and earn commissions. Then, input your payment details, which typically include your bank account information for direct deposits. You can also set a payment threshold, for example, choosing to receive payments once your earnings reach $10 or $50. With your account set up, it is time to find products to promote. Head over to the Marketplace section in your ClickBank dashboard. Here, you can explore various categories, such as e-business and e-marketing or health and fitness, to find niches that interest you. Utilize the powerful filtering options to sort products by metrics like gravity, initial sale amount, or average commission per sale. Focus on products with high gravity scores, which typically indicate a product is selling well and has a good conversion rate. Once you have identified a promising product, the final step is to generate your unique affiliate link and begin promoting. Simply click the Promote button next to your chosen product in the marketplace. This action will generate your personalized hop link, which is essential for tracking all your sales and commissions accurately. Share this link across your various platforms, including social media, personal blogs, or email newsletters. Remember to regularly monitor your performance and earnings using the comprehensive reporting tools provided by ClickBank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.